Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add apps in Slack. So the first thing that you have to do is to log into your Slack account and be at the home page as I am right now. Now once you're here, you would see the add apps option on the left side right here. So just click on it. Now once you're here, if you scroll down, you would see all the apps that you can add to Slack. Let's say for example, I will be adding Trello. So just click on install. Now, after clicking on it, you will be taken to the Slack marketplace. Now, on here, just click on add to Slack right here. Now, in here, it will ask you to give permissions. So just scroll down and click on allow right here. Now, after that, it will ask you to log in via your Trello account or the app that you're adding. So I'm just going to do that. Scroll down and click on login and log in via your account. Now, after you've logged in, you would see this window right here. Now, if you go back to Slack and go back to home, you would see that your desired app has been added. So that is how you can add apps to Trello.